Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we have over here, overall a uptrend. However, I have formed some buyers in looking to short this pair because first up, over here we have a RSI hidden divergence. All right, second up, we have the candlesticks closing below the previous low. So I am looking for a shorting opportunity, and be it I've been trading this pair for many years. After pound yen, this is the second pair I've been trading. So pound yen I've started trading like in 18 years ago. This perhaps I have 15 years of experience trading pound dollar. All right, head down to the 4-hour chart. This is what we have. Once again, we can see that there's a retest of the previous high over here, and the RSI went extremely overbought. What we want to see is a hook down below this line over here. Further confirmation is required. To the 1-hour chart, it looked pretty strong in breaking out of the previous resistance. My view on this particular scenario, this might be what we call a bull trap, meaning to say that the bull trap you to get engaged for a buying opportunity, but end up the market came down. All right, if you scan this QR code, it will bring you to our community in the Discord over here, which is every day we are growing over here. And in the Traders Cafe, under the information segment, click the pin message and click this link over here to redeem your free training. So once you have done that, this is your access to our free training. Okay, and if you scroll down further, you can get the access or the opportunity to join our Telegram broadcast channel in case you miss out anything, and to receive our voice memo as well. If you scroll down further, this is where you get to redeem your free training over here. And if you love what you're seeing, you want to get coached by us, just drop us a note. To access to our trading ideas, you can just let me know your interest and we'll guide you how you can proceed and to receive all these trading ideas. As you can see, what we focus on is to teach you to spot trading ideas that have a 2-1 ratio, which means every dollar that you risk, the returns is $2, and in some cases we have a 8.11:1 reward is to risk, which means every dollar I risk for my second target, the return is $8.11. And I do know that some of you are very meticulous. You want to calculate every difference, and assuming we trade a standard contract on target 1 and target 2, both of them, then my initial risk is 27 pips multiplied by 2. Correct? So with that, it gives us still a 5.44:1 reward is to risk. That means every dollar we risk at the start, the return is 5 times. I don't know about you, but I know that this is so much better than a lot of business out there in terms of returns. There's no overhead expenses, there's no other risk that you can factor in. Everything that you want to get yourself involved in this trading is really written out black and white over here, and you're the one that make the final decision to hit the execute button. Alright, so if this really interests you, drop me a note. We want to only coach those who are committed and serious about your own financial well-being before we accept you as our students. Back to our daily chart, let me share a few my analysis over here. So what we have is, yes, indeed, a potential bullish bad pattern that complete at much lower price, 1.1209. So even with that, there's no fear on my end to look for a shorting opportunity because it is still far away from the bullish bad pattern completion. All right, down to the 4-hour chart, no doubt we are waiting for a bearish shark pattern completion at 1.2237, but as I said, this is the level of my interest. I'm looking for a shorting opportunity, and even before the bearish shark pattern is complete, it has to pass this horizontal trend line or support line, you may want to call it, before you can reach the shark pattern. So I'm looking at the first level of completion and first level of possibility for even looking for other setup at this moment. And on the 1-hour chart is rather straightforward. I'll be waiting for a retest at 1.2098, which is very close to 1.21. Price action, traders may just hop in to enter a short trading opportunity as well. So if this is the way that you like to do your analysis, you like to have a view in different time frame, or even you want to focus on a single time frame, this is the place that you can come to. Drop us a note and let us know your interest before we accept you as our students.